Okie dokie, it is Monday and we are back at it. So this is our closet, the master bedroom closet. And you know, we got this far with a rack and all, high and low. And then we need something for this side. Well, we have this little furniture piece that is kind of one of the first things we ever built together back, oh my goodness, many moons ago. I don't even know how long ago. And so we want to incorporate this. I'm gonna paint it most likely to make it match, but we want to incorporate this in our closet and do like a custom built-in type thing. So Mike just cut the back out, the little hole for the plug, and then we're going to slap it up against the wall and build little cubbies up each side. Actually, our laundry will sit on that side, and then shelving up above for little cubbies or cubes or whatever. But just wanted to show you what's happening there with that. Okay, so here's a little bit of the progress. You can kind of see what's happening. Okay, check out how great this turned out. Again, so much storage here. We're, you know, just having those in there temporarily to kind of decide on what exact storage options we're gonna use. But, oh, I love it so, so much. Such a great way to customize the closet. Okay, you guys, so it is Tuesday morning and we are waiting for our guys from Marble Elegance to come back today to install the new piece of granite. All is gonna be well, it's gonna be beautiful, and I'm really excited about the new piece. Hopefully, well, actually, I think they may have just pulled up. So, someone pulled up, I don't know who it is, but we're about to find out. It was, in fact, Marble Elegance with our new piece of granite. And you guys, Michael, the boss right there that was at the sink, he was so great. He came and just made sure that everything went well. He knew how incredibly disappointed we were about that last piece breaking, and he wanted us to be super uber happy. And so he was there he is, wiping down the granite. He was aware of the fact that we have grandbaby on the way and Christmas is coming, so he wanted this in and in place for us, and he went above and beyond to make us happy. After those guys left, Mike and I got the back panel of the island on and in place and got the island all trimmed out. Here it is. Oh my wow. It is so beautiful. I can't even share my excitement enough, I don't think. You know, my favorite phrase is, oh my wow. So yeah, I oh my wowed a whole lot today. Mike and I also got the last cabinet put in place, so hip hip hooray for that.
Jeez.
We got the island done, and now we are at Home Depot, and we are here to get our tile because Jose, our amazing tile guy, is getting to us this week. We knew that, but he might be coming early.
Yeah, that'll be exciting stuff.
We'll let you know how that goes. All right, so here is the tile that I've had my heart set on and I love, and they're telling us that there may be some in stock, there may not be, but more than likely not. And we can go to a couple of different stores and try to chase some down. I was really over it at this point and just kind of tired of having to look and search and find. So luckily I'm a pretty easygoing, easy to please kind of person. So this is what I ended up going with. This is a 3x12 textured tile versus the 4x8 textured tile that I had originally wanted. It's gonna be great, it's gonna be beautiful. I know I'm gonna love it. Thursday morning, we woke up to some pretty icky weather, freezing cold outside, literally like 2 degrees, 1 degree, I don't know. It was awful cold and light snow and just yucky weather overall. There's ice on the windows. It's gross out, but you know, the Canadians are probably laughing. So I decided to cook gumbo, okra and potato gumbo. If you want to see the recipe, I put out a little YouTube short about it, or I will be putting out a little YouTube short about it at some point in time, but it's really simple. It's just a meal that makes me think of growing up a lot because my mom and dad both made this and it was always one of my favorites. So it was just fun to cook a meal in the kitchen, and it is really and truly the first official home-cooked meal here at the farm. I was also feeling a bit crafty today. I've been dying to make something in my studio, so here it is, the first thing I've officially made in the studio, which is a sweatshirt with my favorite phrase, "Oh my wow." I may have to sell these, I don't know. I think I failed to mention that a couple of days ago, the electricians came out and started working on the wiring for Curry and Braden's house. She and I ran out there this morning in the freezing cold to just check out the progress. So I wanted to show you how cute this little room is. This is our spare room, and Curry and Braden have got their stuff moved in and are set up for little Miss Greenlee to make her debut soon and very soon. And so this is just a cute little room, and you know, we intend on having a couch in here eventually, but looks really great set up as a bedroom. A little crowded, but you know, we're gonna make do. And the barn door, of course, has not happened yet because of these crazy cold weather temperatures, but we're just getting ready. We're gonna be having our Christmas with our kiddos on Monday, so that'll be a lot of fun. I'm getting ready to go start lunch. I'm gonna make a chicken pot pie bake today, so I'm really enjoying cooking in this amazing kitchen. The granite, y'all, is so beautiful. I do really love it. You know, it was just unfortunate what happened with that other piece, but it all turned out and worked out and is just perfect. One of our super sweet friends and viewers brought us some yummy homemade candies and treats. We always look forward to this every year. So thank you for that, Alice. Much appreciated here at the farm. But yeah, it's all just cozy and we are super duper loving it. Also, I don't think I showed you the closet situation. Check out these baskets, y'all. I got these off of Amazon. They're super cool. You know, at Target, they're like 22 bucks a piece. And I found these 5-packs on Amazon. Look at this. I'm trying to do this one-handed. But these fold up. Super cool. You know, if I decided I didn't want all these baskets and I wanted to put some away for a while, I could. But we got these. They worked out to 14 bucks each. And they're really great. So I'm gonna link those for you in the description below. Okay, so remember I told you guys I was gonna make a chicken pot pie bake. Well, there it is, and what do you think?
This is my third helping. I would highly recommend. It's really good. Karen is really nice because I'm not a pea person, and so I said, please don't put peas in my pie. And so you have to, if you make this and you really are a pea person, you know, you don't have to put the green beans, but it's really, really good. Get up right now, put your coffee down, put your donuts up, go buy the ingredients and make it for lunch. That's what you should do.
It's easy. Canned biscuits cut up on top.
Especially when it's cold outside.
Hello, hello.
End of another week.
Mike just finished his pot pie that he's raving about.
That was really, really good. I highly recommend. We had a pretty laid back week. Basically, we lost yesterday and today as far as having people coming in and working and getting some things done ourselves because it was just so cold and the weather was nasty. And so our tile guy was gonna come and do our backsplash, and so he didn't because of the weather. And then Stephen was gonna come and do some things, and I think he'll end up coming probably tomorrow or the next day.
He texted me, he's coming in the morning, 10 o'clock.
As long as nothing, you know, changes. And so, you know, so it's a shorter video this week, I think. Maybe a little bit more of us talking, but Karen made a couple of good dishes and we get to kind of unpack more boxes and kind of settle in a little bit more, which is really nice.
Yeah, I'm loving cooking in this kitchen. It's great. Our son and his wife were here earlier showering here because their pipes froze.
Yeah.
So it was just fun to be able to stand here and cook and talk to them while I was cooking, and be involved in everything versus being off in a kitchen where I can't really see anybody. Even though our last house was kind of open, this is just different. It's so cozy here. I love it. Love it, love it.
We had our friends Kelly and Rhonda came by with their family. They're having their big Christmas, and their children watched the vlog, and they were just amazed to actually come and see it in person, because I guess it just doesn't look the same on camera. But they were walked in and they were just, you know, mouths dropped and thought that was the coolest thing. So we were excited to have them be a part of our family for a little while and see things. And I think the funny thing was, he said, I cannot believe you just didn't bulldoze it. I can't believe you didn't.
I didn't hear that.
You know, what you saw, you know, after seeing the first videos when they started watching it, he said, I can't believe y'all did what y'all did. So
that's funny. Anyway. And Alice, I showed this to you earlier, I think, but our friend Alice, who's a very dear family friend, she makes us Christmas goodies each year, and she dropped by, and she's watching, I know. So Alice, thank you.
Yum.
We've been munching on those goodies all morning, so all day.
Yes.
But so it's just good
it is.
Having people stop by. We love it to invite or have people into our home. So we had a fun little meal the other night with Kelly and Rhonda right here at the dining table, folding table. So it's just fun.
And we're leaning on this granite.
Yeah, and Curry and Braden got moved in, and Greenlee's due any day now. So, you know, next time we see you, we may have a grandbaby, or it could be the next week. So we'll see.
This time next Saturday, you may just be hearing in a good way, or laughing,
number 2,
cuddling, cooing. Yeah, wonderful blessing of life. So
lots of excitement, lots of blessings happening for us this Christmas, and we're just super thankful and grateful for you all always. Getting a little emotional, sorry.
Yeah, it'd be the first time. My dad passed away in February, and
so this is our first Christmas.
First Christmas without my dad, and because of Curry's pregnancy, we're not going back to Texas. So it's the first time since 1985 for me. It's the only time I ever missed Christmas at my parents' house, pretty much since I was born. And so that's kind of weird, you know, that we're going to be home, but it's also a good thing because we're going to be home, and all of our family is here. And so I know our family members watch this, and we miss and love you guys, and I hate that we can't be there.
They're celebrating at my mom's tonight with all of our side family, so we're missing being there for sure.
Yeah, it's going to be different, but it's just a different phase of life right now for us. And I think Karen had mentioned this, but tell us about you guys this Christmas. Where you go, what you do, traditions, anything spectacular, what you eat, those kinds of things. We love getting to know you guys better and hearing your stories, and we like to try new things. So if y'all do something kind of cool and special, then
let us know.
We'd
love to hear about it.
Try and maybe do. So anyway, blessings. This is the time of the season to remember presents.
Sorry, we're like ball bags. You should know that by now.
It's not about presents, the things you get under a tree. It's presence, the presence of family, the presence of God, the presence of His Holy Spirit, the presence of knowing that there's way more to this holiday season than Santa Claus and Christmas lights. But it's a great time of the year for everybody to remember the power of Jesus' birth. And I'm thankful that as a country, as a nation, as a world, that we stop for a few seconds and remember what an incredible gift He was to all of mankind. Anyway, hope you guys have a blessed Christmas holiday, and we look forward to seeing you guys next week, and maybe you can tell us all kinds of real cool fun stuff.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Once again, you guys, we greatly appreciate you watching, and we hope that you will go back and check out the Flipping the Farm playlist that you see here on the screen, and we wish you a very blessed Merry Christmas.